June, everybody! Which reminds me, it's Father's Day one of these days. Let me just go check the calendar. Father's Day is in 2 weeks. Let me check how much money I have. People say that money talks, but all my money says is goodbye. At least I have enough money to buy my dad's favorite chocolate. Chocolate? Check. What else to do? What else to do? Oh, I could help my dad pack the fire because surely we're going to have a braai. I've got an idea. Take a piece of paper, fold it in half, and then let's write. So I wrote this for the Kit Kat and I wrote this for the wood. So then you tear it in half. And then you make a hole in it. Now you either use a string or a pipe cleaner to tie the chocolate and the note together. What you do is you pull it through to about halfway. Then you put your gift here and then you tie a knot. And just like that, your gifts are sorted. So it's Father's Day and you unfortunately can't be with your dad? Don't worry, I have a plan for you. So a few years back, I was unfortunately without my dad when my dad was working in another city. This is the video that I made. Happy Father's Day! Dad, let's be honest. Today wouldn't be special if it wasn't for me. So let's go to the movies. You buy the tickets and I'll buy the popcorn. P.S. Thank you for Vitality for sponsoring the popcorn. This is just an example. So you should personalize your video. For example, if your dad is a firefighter, then wear a firefighter helmet. And if your dad likes fishing, then hold a fishing rod in your hand. Father's Day is around the corner. You should get ready.